Robert Kiyosaki said that if you put $100 into Shiba Inu right now, you will be rich in the future. Shiba Inu's price seems to be staying close to a major support level that has been building up over the last 3 months. 2 weeks ago, there was a big move because of a buildup along this barrier. So, investors are hoping that the current consolidation will lead to another rally. In this video, we'll talk about how Robert Kiyosaki said that if you put $100 into Shiba Inu's right now, you'll be rich in the future. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Satoshi Kazama, who made the meme coin, went on Twitter to defend SHIB holders against people who want to sow doubt and chaos into the environment. The price of Shiba Inu is close to a key level of support. At 0.118, the POC. This barrier is the biggest level of traded volume since April 11 and was a key factor in getting SHIB to go up in the past. On August 14, the Dogecoin killer sparked a 53-point rise, making 0.179 a double top. Since then, Shiba Inu's price has given up all of the gains and is back at the POC looking to start another move like the first one. So far, the bulls just don't seem to be there or do anything. But if SHIB stays here for a long time and buyers come back, it could start a quick run up to the next level that bulls or smart money will be looking at. Target is at 0.179, where the same highs were made. So, a bounce off of 0.118 could lead to a 52-point gain when the price retests the 179 cents barrier. Even though this view is easy to understand, investors should be okay with the POC breaking down and the 9 drop that comes with it. This move will send the SHIB down to try the immediate support level at 106 cents, which is equal to 179 cents. This is the second scenario, and it will lead to a 68 gain. The same goal will be reached with the third result. But instead of finding support at 0.106, the price of Shiba Inu could fall to 83 cents to make up for the difference. First, the rise that starts here will lead to a 104-point gain, bringing the price back up to 0.179. No matter what happens, investors can dollar-cost average their shares at the above-mentioned key support levels, instead of waiting for the right bottom and missing out on the uptrend. But if SHIB makes a daily candlestick close below 74 cents and doesn't quickly bounce back, it will make a lower low and disprove the bullish theory for Shiba Inu eyes. The Shiba Inu group is excited for the redesign of the network to be done. As a result, the Shiba Inu development team announced a big change to that metaverse milestone at the same time as the start of Hub. Shiba Inu is a form of digital cash that has grown a lot in the past few months. The digital asset was originally made as a joke about Dogecoin, but now it is its own thing. Shiba Inu has gotten a lot of attention in August, and its price has gone up because of it. The Shiba Swap community is run by the Bone token. Holders can vote on ideas, and the weight of their vote is based on how many shares they own. Since the start of the year, the price has been stuck in a horizontal support area around 1.20. During this time, it tried to get out 3 times but failed. But on August 19, the price started to move quickly up, and on August 29, it broke out of the range. Bone went up by 200 points over the course of 10 days, and on the 11th day, it went back up. Over the past 2 days, the rise in price has sped up. This happened around the same time that Bone was added to the blue bid market. It is now trading at 2.10, which is the 2.61 external fib retracement support. If they were able to move above it, the next resistance level would be at 2.65, which would create an external FIB retracement resistance level of 3.61. A cryptocurrency and stock trader at Mind and Trading looked at a Bone chart that showed the price had hit a high of $2. He said that $2.60 will be the next point of pushback. When looking at the previous downward movement, the resistance area is in line with the 3.61 external fib retracement level. The numbers from the RSI support the continuation of the upward movement towards the set goals. The first reason is that the indicator broke through a line of support that was going down. The second one is that the daily RSI doesn't show a negative divergence, even though the indicator is already too high. In the same way, there is no negative divergence in the RSI for a time frame of 6 hours. On the contrary, the gauge is going up even though it is already very close to being overbought. As a result, the most likely thing that could happen is that the price could go up to at least $2.65. It's no secret that the sell-off on August 19 shocked the crypto market. Market doubters keep talking about how bad things are in the macro situation. The popular joke tokens Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are among the things that lost out in the sell-off. Both tokens were going up until the crash, but even after that, Doge stayed ahead of its rival on the crypto ranking charts. Shiba Inu lost its spot in the rankings, though, and fell further down the list. It was in 14th place at press time after falling 2 spots over the weekend. Dogecoin was selling at 0.61 after taking a 3.55 hit over the past 24 hours and a 7.9 drop over the past week. Shiba Inu wasn't doing much better. It was trading at 0.1193, down 3.25% in the last 24 hours. According to CoinMarketCap, the value of the Shib token has dropped by more than 7 in the past week. When Shib made its plans to explore the metaverse public, some people in the crypto community thought it was a joke. How can a meme that has no known uses say that the metaverse was part of what it was trying to do? Even though the doubts may not be put to rest, Shib's most recent update shows that there's no stopping it. In the early hours of September 3, Shib announced on its official blog that it had taken a big step towards the goal and that we're all going to make it. The temple project was picking up speed. After the release, a plan for the temple was put forwards. Will we all get through? Shib's communication shows that it looked at different building plans from 6 towns. The first catches showed that Shib had written down Beijing, New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar as places to get ideas from. In light of the plan, Shib said that the community would decide whether or not to go ahead with it. Most of the Shib army seemed to agree with what was said. But the share price hasn't gone up as a result of the news. When I looked at Coin's market capitalization, I saw that Shib had gone down by 0.17 in the last 24 hours, even though its volume had gone up by $305.37 million. It followed a similar pattern with a burn rate of 47.19 down and a total of 69,087,091 Shib tokens burned during the same time frame. In a recent tweet, Robert Kiyosaki said that the market crash he said would happen in 2013 is already happening. He said that buyers could lose a lot of money if they put their money in the stock market. Kiyosaki says to use this time to make more money. When you remember that Warren Buffett said the best time to buy is when the markets are full of blood, it's hard to argue with him. Depending on how the market is. The SP 500 kept going down and bounced back from the support levels of 4,000 and